Welcome guys, today I'm going to show you how to make ID card in PowerPoint, and please subscribe my channel.
Yeah. No. 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 No.
Hold this one save first and this one. Go to save format, go here and just subtract it. Look, I have subtracted this one. Now give this color it up. Now our project is almost going to be completed. Just we have to copy paste, select all these tools, soft shape tools, and just hold control D, or you can copy paste by Ctrl V or Ctrl C. Now let us insert our company's contacts. You can insert icons from here. Go to insert icons. Make sure internet is connected, okay? Otherwise icons will not be loaded. Now go to right click, go to format shape, give some shadow, click this one, upper side. Okay, one thing I forgot to add, I will add here one thing. Let's make it small. Make sure an outline, give color to this, set transparency to 97%. Okay, make it a bit small, just put up here. Okay, our project is completed. So please guys subscribe me, please stay tuned for more updates. Okay guys, bye.